Have you ever wondered how your computer makes decisions? How it knows when to execute certain actions and when to ignore them? The answer lies in a concept called conditional statements, a fundamental building block in programming, particularly in Python. Today, we'll delve into this topic, explaining it from the ground up. To understand conditional statements, imagine a typical day in your life. You wake up in the morning and decide what to wear. If it's sunny, you might choose a light shirt. If it's raining, you'll probably go for a raincoat. This decision-making process is what conditional statements emulate in programming. In Python, we use the if, elif, and else keywords to construct these statements. The if keyword is the simplest form of conditional statement. It evaluates whether a condition is true or false. If true, the code within the statement is executed. Consider an example. We have a variable weather that stores the current weather condition. We can use an if statement to determine what to wear. If weather equals sunny, Python will print wear a light shirt. Moving on, what if there are more than two possibilities? That's where elif, short for else if, comes into play. Elif allows us to check for multiple conditions. If the first condition isn't met, Python will check the next elif condition. This process continues until it finds a true condition or until there are no more conditions to check. Now imagine our weather variable can also store rainy and snowy. We could use elif to add more conditions. If weather equals rainy, Python will print wear a raincoat. If weather equals snowy, Python will print wear a winter coat. But what if none of the conditions are met? That's where else steps in. Else is a catch-all condition. If none of the if or elif conditions are true, Python will execute the code within the else statement. In our example, if weather doesn't equal sunny, rainy, or snowy, Python will print wear what you like. In summary, conditional statements in Python use if, elif, and else to make decisions based on specific conditions. If checks a single condition, elif checks multiple conditions, and else serves as a default action when no other conditions are met. Remember, just like deciding what to wear based on the weather, Python uses conditional statements to decide which actions to take based on the conditions it encounters. This feature makes Python and programming in general incredibly flexible and powerful. So, the next time you're writing a Python script and need your code to make a decision, think about conditional statements. They'll definitely come in handy. And that's a wrap on conditional statements in Python. Thanks for tuning in and keep exploring